We are going to be doing a realistic what we eat in a week.
Welcome to the vlog, guys. Today we're gonna be doing what are you eating today?
What are we making here, Chef?
I failed miserably last time. All the oatmeal was on the stove, not on my plate.
What'd you add in here? Just milk?
Just milk.
We ran out of espresso, which I should be getting more today. I also ran out of heavy whipping cream. We also ran out of creamer. So today's coffee is pretty sad. My coffee is gonna be not to the usual coffee that I make. It's just gonna be basic hot coffee. This is what we're having for breakfast. Oatmeal with honey and blueberries. And here is my coffee, and this is way darker than I normally have it. I would say I normally have my coffee like 50% lighter. You hear chewing. Clay and Wardell are also eating breakfast. This is what we got going on for lunch today. Typically we just eat leftovers for lunch, and we usually work out during our lunch, but today we can't, so we'll be working out after work. So we're having leftover steak and potatoes, and then some lumpia that we made at my parents' yesterday. Yeah, typical lunch for us, so we don't have to cook again. We have lumpia, and then sweet chili, sweet and sour, sweet chili, sweet sauce. Fried it yesterday, and then we just threw it in the air fryer right now. So I'm currently, actually I just finished. I just finished filming tomorrow's YouTube video, which is my spring favorites. So that video is already up. If you guys haven't checked it out already, I will link it in the description box below. But Maynard just came in with a snack, and he cut up a bunch of fruit. We have some raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries in here. So thanks, babe. At first I thought he was bringing me nature cereal, which I haven't tried yet, but I'm not like a huge fan of coconut water. But basically, doesn't it look like nature cereal? That TikTok Lizzo snack where you add ice and coconut water. I think my favorite fruit is either strawberries or watermelon. I really, really like watermelon. So I already started making the sauce, which is just soy sauce, garlic, cornstarch water, and pepper. I'm crisping up the rice now with just a little bit of oil. So it should look something a little bit like this, crispy and a little bit light golden. It doesn't look the prettiest, but here it is, at home pepper lunch.
Hungry. Yeah, egg.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Get a little egg, meat. corn, rice, the perfect bite. For breakfast, we are having this pastry from Costco, and I just threw it in the air fryer for a couple minutes to warm it up. Oh, there's so many straws in my... So I have my coffee that I always eat with my breakfast. Pastry today. But I always have my Yeti full of ice, and then I will refill this throughout the day with water.
Yeah.
So today, guys, I had a protein shake after we worked out.
It is 1:23. We just had a workout. We typically try to work out during our lunch, so that way we can just eat while we're working. I use the Alani Nu chocolate.
I did it for you.
Long neck.
We're making Chick-fil-A
Help.
sandwiches.
I'm in danger.
We have these chicken patties, like they're frozen chicken patties we get from Costco, some seasoned French fries. All of this goes in the air fryer. Love our air fryer. We bought this Chick-fil-A sauce from Target. Yum. And now dinner time. You know, this is like nowhere near a traditional burrito, but this is like one of our favorite go-to meals because besides the rice, it takes probably less than 10 minutes. The popcorn exploded. I mean, the corn exploded.
I packed this rice to the brim.
Second.
You can only use this much corn. That's all it's up.
I'm hungry. Before.
Like 30 seconds?
I did.
Delicious.
Good morning, welcome to Wednesday. I already have my nice coffee made and Maynard heated up Cinnabon pastries, which I have no clue where this is from. My mom brought this over. Kind of hard to break apart. It's like chewy. They dropped the toy under the couch. It's now 1:09. We had some people come in and do some work on, like, just fix things around the house, and so we're now just eating. What we're eating is leftovers from last week. This is a really easy dish. It's just pork chops, onions, and like cream of mushroom soup. So it's like a saucy pork chop. So if you like pork chops, you should try this. delicious as always. Hi guys, good morning. It is Thursday and I had to jump into a meeting this morning, but Maynard made breakfast. And this is what he made. Let me show you guys. Made oatmeal with strawberries, banana, and blueberries, and put a little bit of honey on top. Of course, I have my iced coffee. So I forgot to film me making this. We had like a pee accident and had to bathe both the dogs last minute, so I just whipped this up really quickly. We were supposed to have beef and broccoli tonight, but we weren't feeling it, so I made sushi bake instead. Morning. It is Friday. Today's breakfast is another iced coffee. Oh, it's spilled. And banana bread that my mom made. We already started eating. Are having leftover sushi bake. As you can see, there's not that much left over. Oh, I was looking at the TV. For tonight's dinner, we actually got last minute tickets to the Warriors game. Shout out Ash and Doyle. So we ate at the chicken sandwich place and got french fries. Another day, another banana bread and my coffee. For the last meal of this video, we picked up boiling crab for dinner. Super excited. But normally I get some snow crab and shrimp, and I'm not that hungry. Well, now I'm not hungry, but when I was ordering it, I wasn't that hungry. Got shrimp today, and some fries, and some rice, salt and pepper, adding the lemon, Coke. Damn. Awesome.
Real fans. If I'm gonna get many cheese meals. Look at the spiciest. It's been soaking up all the spice. So